What is a school of sanctuary? A school of sanctuary is a safe and welcoming place for those seeking sanctuary, such as refugees, asylum seekers and forced migrants. These people have all had to leave their own countries because it's not safe. What is an asylum seeker? A person who has left their own country because it's unsafe and arrived in another country, and they're waiting for that country to decide if they are a refugee or not. What is a refugee? A person who has had to leave their country because it's not safe for them to stay there. You might have seen in the news in the summer holidays about Afghanistan. They have thousands of refugees have left their country and moved to nearby countries and countries all around the world. So, what does a school of sanctuary do? They educate the school about the human right to sanctuary and work together to come up with ideas that help to promote the school of sanctuary and to help those people that are seeking it to feel very welcome in their school. What can you do? You can learn more about refugees, asylum seekers and forced migrants at school with your teacher and key workers. You can discuss ideas about how to help and support these pupils if they come to your school. You can also work with your class and steering group representative to help your class to learn more about this topic. Room 3 have made some lovely welcome posters in lots of different languages to welcome refugees to our school.